Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your web hosting for only 1 cent for your first month. So what we're going to do is come over here to HostGator, and I've included the link to sign up for hosting right below in the resource section. So be sure to click that to get over to HostGator.com, and you'll get a special discount. So I'm going to show you how to get that 1 cent web hosting. So you're definitely going to want that. So what you're going to want to do is come over here to web hosting. Once this loads. Okay, and then you can see right here, this is the different plans. So you have hatchling plan, baby plan, and business plan. I personally have the baby plan. And the reason why I have this one is because I can get unlimited domain names. So that means I don't have to increase, my hosting cost doesn't increase when I add new domain names. And so you really will want this one if you're planning on doing multiple websites. Now if you're absolutely sure that you're only going to do one website, that you just need the cheapest hosting for that one website, then hatchling plan will be just enough for you if you just have a single domain name. But like I said, the baby plan is really valuable because you can expand, you don't have to worry about getting extra hosting. You can host unlimited domains or domain names with the baby plan. So, but for the sake of this video, since I already have the baby plan, I'm going to show you how to register and sign up. So I'm going to be signing up for the hatchling plan. And so what I do is right here, I just click sign up. Click right here to sign up. Okay. And the reason why we went ahead and got the domain name first is because we want to go ahead, we're going to do over here and say I already own this domain name. So for the sake of this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop back over here to Namecheap, and I'm going to grab a domain name that I have not yet registered. So here's one domain name that I already have. It's called dogonhappy.com. So I'm just going to take this domain name right here, and so I just go over here. Just remember that one. So I'm going to utilize dogonhappy. I'll just put dogonhappy.com, and I'm going to click already own this domain name. So you can see right here, it knows that I already own it. I'm probably going to have to verify. I'm going to have to verify that. But we can see this is going to be my primary domain name for this account, and then you'll be able to create as many more as you want to, or as many domain names as you purchase throughout your hosting through HostGator. So right here, I'm using the hatchling plan, and now you can see right here the billing cycle. Now right now it has me set up for 36 months because the longer you pay for your contract for your hosting, the cheaper it gets. Now I'm going to go right here to 1 month. You can see right now if I do 36 months, it'll give me a bigger discount. That's pretty much with anything. They want to lock you in a longer contract, so they're willing to give you a better price for the longer that you commit. But I'm only going to commit for 1 month. We can erase that right there, and then you can create your own security pin, and I'll type one in. You just fill out all this information, so whatever you want your username to be. I'll make mine Zay Wonder. Alright. And then I'm going to enter all my billing details. Then I'll come down here. I don't need this right here, so you can uncheck these things. You don't need those extras. They try to upsell you on stuff. You don't need it. What you're going to do is erase this code right here, put your caps on, and enter code penny, and this will allow you to get your first month for 1 cent. You can see right there, I just took off the price, so now the amount due is only 1 penny. Sounds like a good deal to me, guys. 1 penny for a first month of hosting. See how it goes. If you don't like it, you are free to cancel because you only committed to 1 month. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out this information and show you the next step. Okay, so be sure to read this stuff right here. Once you've done that, just click I've read the agreement and then click checkout. And I'm going to be utilizing PayPal. It's a lot simpler to me, so I don't have to enter all my card information over and over again. So I'm going to go over here to PayPal and go ahead and complete my purchase. Okay, so it just went through the transaction, and right now it's putting together, it's building my HostGator account. So I'm just waiting for that to be done, and it's going to redirect me. It's also going to send me an email with some information that we're going to need to finish setting things up. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. Okay, so once your account is done being created, this little box pops up. You can put done it before, never done it before, whatever your experience is. So I'll just put done it before because that's my experience. You actually don't even have to take the survey if you need to. Just feel free to go through it, but I don't want to. Okay, so now that I have this hatchling plan, what I'm going to do is just click through these tabs. I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour through this and show you exactly what you need to do. So right here, this is where you're going to take care of your billing and all that stuff. Then you can go over here, click your hosting. Very simple, pretty self-explanatory what these tabs are, what you're doing here. You come down here, you can see we have these different tabs up here, email, all that stuff. But what you're going to want to do is, you want to come over here to your email after you signed up. Go check your email, and HostGator will send you all of your account info. What you're going to do is you want to take this link right here that says Control Panel. Under here, you also get your password and your domain name, so that information, and you also are going to get your name servers. So you're going to definitely need your name servers. So what we're going to do is go ahead and copy and paste in that email. Go to your name servers, copy and paste your first name server. So we're going to copy that, and what we're going to do is we're going to come back over here to your domain name that you purchased, whether you did it on Namecheap or GoDaddy or wherever you did it at. And you want to find, you want to click on that domain name and find name servers tab, wherever that may be. Now, if you're on Namecheap, what you're going to do is you're going to log into your account, click the domain name under domain list, and this is going to be the first page. You scroll down, you can click custom domain, custom DNS, and then you want to copy and paste the name servers from your email. This is going to connect the domain name to HostGator. That way, this is now bridged, and HostGator, you're going to be able to control your website and all that through HostGator. And then you're going to paste it again. But I already know for a fact that it's one number higher. So my second name server was 206, so I'm just going to change it to 6. So I just pasted my name servers right here. Then you click right here, click Save, and now it's connected. After you've done that, and it'll come back over to that email, then you want to click your Control Panel link that they sent you in the email. Okay, so now we're over here to the Control Panel, and to log into this, you're going to need to copy and paste the information from your email. So copy the password, which this can be changed once you get logged in. You can always change your password to something that you can remember, and then also enter the username that you created. And so you want to make sure you keep up with this information because you want to be able, you're going to want to be able to log into your Control Panel. Sorry, could not talk for a second. All right, so and just take that information, and we're gonna click login and wait for it to load. All right, so it's telling me the username I entered is invalid. Okay, so maybe I have a space in here or something. So what I'm gonna do is, just because it might not have copied correctly, I'm just gonna enter it manually. All right, and then we're gonna click paste again. Alright, so it's still telling me my login is invalid. So let me try to figure this out with my password. Let me try to copy that again. And if copying doesn't work, then you can always just manually type it in, but we should be able to get logged in here in a sec. Alright, and you can see we got through this. I don't know what the problem was, but now we're in. So, once we're in, you can always save the password for your site. This is your HostGator Control Panel. So you want to get pretty familiar with this. This is where you're going to set up new domain names, install WordPress, create emails, and all that other great stuff. So now that we've done that, now if we set up our hosting, and the next video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress for your new domain name.